Wow, you're here! I'm proud of you for showing up. Today, let's learn how to say want or want to in Chinese. 想 Please repeat after me. 想 想 想 想 想 Let's review what we have learned so far. Apple or apples, 苹果 苹果 Banana or bananas, 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes, 葡萄葡萄 Orange or oranges, 橙子橙子Strawberry or strawberries, 草莓草莓 Peach or peaches, 桃子桃子 Watermelon, 西瓜西瓜 I or me, 我 Want or want to, 想想 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.